Where's the beef? I know where it is. It's in this cookbook. Great ground beef recipes. This is from 1965, and I'm going to try 2 exciting recipes from this. The first one I'm going to try is called Slumgullion on a Bun. I kind of looked up what Slumgullion was, and it's basically just another word for saying goulash. So let's try this treat. Grab a pan. We need 1 or 2 pounds of beef. Let's break that up. You need to brown that and then cook it with a chopped onion, a tablespoon of minced garlic, and a cup of chopped celery. Let's mix it and allow it to soften a bit. Now you add an envelope of that spaghetti sauce mix. I've never used this before. A can of tomato sauce and a can of corn with the liquid. Mix that all together. Now you cover it up and allow it to simmer and thicken for about 30 minutes. When just about to serve, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of relish and mix that in. Definitely seems a little sloppier than a sloppy Joe, so I think I'm going to serve it open face on a bun with a little shredded cheddar cheese on top. Slumgullion on a bun. It definitely tastes and kind of feels like a sloppy Joe. It does have different spices because of that spaghetti sauce envelope. And having those veggies like the celery and corn is very different than a sloppy Joe. But it's a fun one. I think I'd give it a 7.3 out of 10. All right, our next ground beef recipe is called a Denver pancake. Now, I've had a Denver omelet before. I think that's the one with the peppers and the onions and the ham, I think. So, when I look at these pancakes, it looks like there are peppers and onions in it. And instead of ham, there's ground beef. Let's try it. Grab a pan. We need to cook up a pound of beef. It says to cook it with some minced green peppers and onions. I actually just blended up some frozen peppers and onion strips. I'll throw that in there. While that's browning, grab a bowl, a cup of pancake mix, 1 egg, a cup of milk. Mix that together. A can of creamed corn goes in next. And now it's time to add and mix in that beef. All right, let's cook up some pancakes. Give them a flip. Denver pancakes. I've never had anything like this before. It's fun. It's basically a very meaty pancake. Though it is lacking something, I think it could really use some spices in there. Spice up that beef first. Something spicy. Or maybe cover it with some nice savory sauce like ketchup or Thousand Island dressing. Just something fun. Well, I think I'd give this Denver pancake a 6.9 out of 10. Thanks, family circle. It sure was fun celebrating ground beef. Which one of these would you try? I got 2nd place in a star naming contest. They gave me a constellation prize.